can see, this is the strategic repurposing assessment that aspirant. So, and it gives you an executive summary, and then it gives you unmet clinical needs like undeserved patient. So, hey everyone, I am Ave Munzar from Team Hello World. And first of all, I would like to thank you all the judges for giving me the opportunity to participate in this round too. So let's not waste our time and proceed to see our solution. So this is our Streamlit app. And first of all, we will write a query aspiring. And here I will ask about drug repurposing, repurposing opportunities. Opportunities T. So till then we can see how is it executing. It is also giving us the log so that we remain updated. And this thing will, so it will take some time. So when in the background it's running, we can show see our architectural flow that will tell us about the how this query is being processed. So let me go to our architectural flow. So as you can see, first of all, the user inputs a query, user inputs molecule name, and then it submits a query like analyze for repurposing opportunities and any other queries that he sent. Now this response is sent by Streamlit to Fast API, that is our backend server. So it is sent to the chat's endpoint, and then the Fast API server receives that chat request, and then it extracts molecule name from the request, and it initializes the workflow. So now this workflow is run, and it is asynchronously run, so that we can make this faster. After that, we can see we are executing the agents parallelly. Why parallelly? Because if we were executing it sequentially, we noticed that it took a lot of time. It was taking 3 to 4 minutes. So to reduce that time, we use parallel agent executions. So all 6 agents, that is IQVI agent, exam agents, and patent agent, and clinical trial agents, internal agent, web agent, are executed parallelly. So then all the results are collected and agents completed. Now after that, there is a synthesize node that synthesizes all the responses of these agents. So then we have 2 LLM calls that give you full synthesis and an executive summary. So these are slow. We can optimize it better in the further version. And after that, it gives you a final state with report data. And now it goes to your report generator that gives you a PDF and an Excel with title, page, section, and text finding and recommendation. And it saves the output. And this part is currently only supported in the locally, but we can make it better. So can we see our agent now? How is it performing? So let me show you the agent that. So as we can see, it is still running, and since each agent calls an LLM, which takes almost 30 seconds to record the response. And yes, so please wait for it. Till then, I wanted to give you a brief overview of our execution trace, and let's wait. So it's completed. Now the main bottleneck is, as I told, was to generate the PDF. So that's why it's taking this much of time. So we will wait patiently. And yes, another feature was that since when I was using Google LLMs to basically call LLMs, so it was giving the limit resources were exhausted. So to avoid that, to tackle that issue, we are using multiple API keys so that we don't hit the Google quotas limit in the free trial. So that's how we are able to run this using the LLM. Because if we didn't do it, we would have to use mock LLMs, or either we would have to use paid trial Google model. So it's still, yes, it's now completed. So as you can see, this is the strategic repurposing assessment that aspirant. So, and it gives you an executive summary, and then it gives you unmet clinical needs like undeserved patient population, inflammatory and metabolic diseases, and research momentum that are ongoing, and new indication opportunities, and patent NFU analysis. These are all the things that were mentioned in our report. That was, now there is an option to see your full analysis, like how this is passing to our agents, and our how this is being executed. And you can also find our workflow status, that all the 6 agents were running and were successful, and key findings of this, and there are some recommendations. So now we can also download our PDF reports, as you can see. And let me open this PDF report. So this is how it looks, and we can further make some beautiful tables inside this our PDF report. And I think that's it for the demo. Thank you.